Welcome to your nighttime money meditation. This is your moment to completely relax and recharge with powerful financial energy for tomorrow. It's perfectly okay if you fall asleep while listening. That just means your mind is absorbing it even deeper. So find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and let's begin the meditation right now. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Allow your body to gently melt into the bed. This is your time to rest, to receive, and to reconnect with your power. Today is over. Everything you did or didn't do, it's okay. You showed up, you're here, and that means something. Right now, there is nothing more you need to do. You don't need to chase. You don't need to stress. Abundance flows to those who are open to receive. And tonight, you open the door. Money is energy. It flows like water toward clarity, toward confidence, toward calm. And you are becoming a magnet for wealth. You don't need to force it. You don't need to know how. All you need is to trust that life is shifting in your favor. The opportunities, the people, the answers, they are already moving toward you. Feel the energy of success gently filling your body. Breathe it into your chest. Let it warm your hands. Let it settle into your belly, steady, grounded, strong. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be. And tomorrow you will wake up ready, clear, focused, unstoppable. Now imagine your future self, already wealthy, already free. How do you walk? How do you speak? You are already becoming them. The version of you who no longer worries about bills, who gets paid for being aligned, for doing what feels right. That version of you is not a dream. They are real, they are near, and they are proud of how far you've come. Now let go.